everyone, this is Maria and I'm about to make my last craft for my Easter craft series for 2018. And so this is going to be just a really simple craft, and so there's going to be no gluing involved, and so you won't need any glue, no hot glue gun, anything like that. So it all started when I came across these plastic toy flowers in the dollar bins in the bullseye section. I thought they were just super cute, you guys, and I knew I wanted to do something with them. And so I went to the 99-cent store where I purchased 2 of these planters, and so they look like terracotta, but they're plastic. I got them for 99 cents each. And then I also bought this desert foam. It's crafting foam that you can use like with silk flowers. And so there are 6 blocks in here, and I think I paid $5 and some cents, so almost $6. And with a 50% coupon, I think I got it like for $3, you guys. Always using my coupons. I'm also going to use one of these. I was going to use some of the moss that I used on my Easter basket and also on my Easter wreath. But after making my Easter egg tree, I decided to go with this. I just think it's so much more playful, especially since these are toy flowers. And so what I'm going to do with these, I'm going to put them on the counter right above my kitchen sink. I just think they're going to look very springy and just make me smile when I'm washing my dishes, you guys. And one more thing, I'm going to be using these really adorable Easter felt stickers. So I just made one of these. I just wanted to try it out, and you know what, you guys, it turned out really cute. So let's go ahead and make this one, and then I'll show you the other one I made. Okay, so I'm going to set the flowers aside and my stickers, and I'm going to take this block of foam. And you know what, you guys? It fit perfectly inside. So I'm just going to push it down as far as it will go. And so that's the first one, but you can see we still need more over here. Just gonna move that down just a little bit. So then you're going to take another block of foam, and you can see I already cut this one. And I'm just going to put it right in here, see how much I need. And I'm going to put my finger there, and I'm just going to indent it just a little bit, and that's where I'm going to cut it. And so this foam is really soft, and so you can do that. And then I'm just going to take this kitchen knife, and if you're a child, you should have an adult do this for you. I'm going to move my fingers way over here to hold it down, and then I'm just going to cut. It's really easy to cut through, and you can see it's really a tight fit, so I think I should cut off just a little bit more. But in this case, you can always try and turn it around, and it does fit, but you know what? I'm just going to trim it just a little bit more anyways. And so let's go ahead and do that. Be very careful. I'm going to put my fingers way over here on this side, and I'm just going to trim a little bit. Just like that. It's like cutting a piece of cake, you guys. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try it. And that works a lot better now. And you can see it's nice and snug. Super simple, right? Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to decorate our planter. And that's where we're going to use these stickers. And so these are the felt stickers that I purchased at Michael's. So I'm going to take this bunny rabbit, and you can use any kind of stickers. I mean, you can use ladybugs, bumblebees. So I'm just going to stick that right here. These stick really well. I really love these stickers. And then let's go ahead and we're going to add a chick. And so let's go ahead and peel off the back. This is how I did the other one also. So I'm just doing it the same way. And then we're going to, let's see, let's get some flowers in here. We've got some daisies. And let's go ahead and put one of the daisies up here at the corner. And let's go ahead and take another daisy. And you can decorate both sides if you like, if you have enough stickers. And let's go ahead and put this one up here. So let's go ahead and use these carrots. I have 2 more carrots. I'm going to put that in that corner. And then this last carrot, put that right there. And let's go ahead and put a couple of the smaller daisies there. Let's put one right there. And if you misplace this, you can pick this right up. And let's put the other one right here. That's it, you guys. So the next step, you're just going to decide where you want to place your flowers. So in the other one, I have another purple tulip and I have it in the center. So I think I want to have it over here. And you just go ahead and you press it into the foam. Sorry about that screech, you guys. Now, if you don't have these plastic flowers, you can use any flowers that you like. You can use silk flowers from the dollar store or from any craft store. So then let's go ahead and put this pink daisy in the middle. Sorry about the screeching. And then also we're going to use this yellow daffodil. There we go. So next we're taking some of the paper Easter grass and we're just going to go along the edges. And let's go over on this side. And I'm tucking it right where the foam is, where the edge of the foam. You can see there's this space here. And so with one bag of Easter grass, I think it's plenty for both of them. And you can use any type of pots that you like. There we go. And then now we're going to add more Easter grass for the center to cover up the foam. So I'm just going to gather all of that and sprinkle that in. This is a great filler, you guys. I love this. And then you could take a couple of these plastic fillable eggs that you can purchase at the dollar store. And they do come in different sizes. I saw some really small ones the other night at the 99-cent only store. And so we're going to place these right here in our little garden. And I have a blue one here. Let's set that right there. And then I have a purple one. And so let's go ahead and add that one right there next to the purple tulip. So here they are, my spring flower boxes, and they're blooming just in time for Easter. And like I mentioned, if you don't have these plastic flowers, you can also use the silk flowers that you could purchase at Joann's or Michael's or any craft store, even the dollar store. And so I also want to show you that I purchased this little bumblebee that lights up, and I got this at the 99-cent store. Thought that was so cute for my garden. And also this butterfly, and also one of these adorable yellow fuzzy chicks. Wait a second, where's the Easter bunny? There he is, and he's hopping along just in the nick of time. And so I purchased this little Easter bunny on this little floral pick at the 99-cent store. There were 2 in a package and they came in different colors. So let's go ahead and add the bunny to our flower box. And since he's a pick on a wooden pick, he'll easily go right into the foam. There he is. And let's go ahead and move this little egg right over here so you can see the bunny a little bit better. And there goes the little chick hopping along. So that's it for this DIY, you guys. It's super simple to make. It's so bright and cheerful. It just makes you smile. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy crafting, happy Easter, and happy spring. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.